Good afternoon, Linda here today. I have a Delta Rockwell table saw motor for sale. This is off of table saw model 34-345, which is a 10-inch table saw. This motor is 1.5 horsepower to a 2 horsepower max. It has dual capacitor start. It also fits model number 34-336 and 34-335. Right now this is wired for 115 volts. If you want the 2 horsepower to kick in, you have to wire it for the 230 volts. It is 115-230 volts, 60 hertz, 3450 RPMs, 14.2/7.1 amps. It is a phase 1. The frame is a 56. It is thermally protected, clockwise rotation. It does not have reverse rotation. It has a single 5/8-inch shaft. This is manufacturer model XRA56B34D100A. I am selling this on eBay under item number 1930-7476-6589 in the amount of $170 and $45 for shipping. And I'm going to turn it on for you right now. See it on eBay. Sometimes it just gets blurry. That's it for this motor. If you need to go back to eBay, there's more pictures on there. Get some close-ups. And thank you for watching my video today, and everybody have a wonderful day. Goodbye.